Controlling your tasks and having task templates per client or different scenarios is fully customizable within Taza systems. We can start by going to the task configuration at the top of the screen, and inside of here we can have our different workflows or templates that we will use throughout the life cycle of our properties. Inside of the task configuration, you'll notice we have a bunch of different templates depending on which client you want. Creating a new one is simple. You can duplicate an already existing one so you don't have to recreate the wheel from scratch. You can also come on in and look at the current statuses and tasks that you have that will be completed underneath each status. If you'd like to move one to a different status, simply drag and drop it to the next status. Very easy to customize and rearrange your tasks. Different icons represent different types of tasks. This is a recurrent task here. You'll see other types that have a play button icon, which mean trigger upon completion, and other different configurations for each task. You can set the tasks to automatically recur. You can set them to trigger new items or new statuses, and you can also go in and organize them based upon the roles that you have within your company if you would like to have the task configurations set up to assign to different departments within your company. Or, of course, you can set it up to the individual as well. We'll be happy to explain some of the advanced features in detail anytime. Email notifications, of course. You can notify different individuals when it's completed, your recurrence and triggers. And there's a bunch of other features that I don't have time to cover at this moment. That's how your task templates and configuration is built. Very easy. Now you can come through and start working on the tasks that you have for the day. You can select certain tasks and assign them to vendors. Click on the Assign to Vendor link. You can include the lockbox gate code information. You can include a Dropbox link for them to upload the information or maybe an invoice directly back into the folder for you. That's right, you no longer have to receive pictures and emails or tell them to do certain items. Let the system take control for you. There's other task processes as well. Assign to vendor, assign to your internal team. Of course, there's mobile applications which allow vendors and your team to upload photos as well for the Droid and iPhone. You can come in the morning, and I'm logged in as Taza user. I can simply select all the tasks I need to do for the day. Come on down and map what you have to do and where you need to go for the day. The map will pull up all those different items where you can drive around and get that stuff done. So you can easily map all of your properties. You also have a management perspective, which is the task dashboard. From within the task dashboard, you can utilize and rearrange, change ownership as well as change due dates. You can map items, sort by different filter criteria, and get a global view of what's happening with all the tasks that you have within your company. You can say, I'd like to know what's going on with all of the tasks that Carrie has. Then you can simply select the task owner for Carrie and hit display. Different filters. You can also drag and drop street, and it'll group by the street. Now you can see which tasks are going on per property. And color coding, of course, is part of the system, as well as full export. This is a fraction of the capacity that the tasking modules have within Taza systems. If you'd like additional information or greater detail, please send us an email. We're happy to take you through it. Have a great day.